last video, we learned how we are supposed to solve the 5-marker sums and the KARL method. First, we need to find out the mean. If means answer is coming in integer, we need to use the formula x minus x bar into y minus y bar. For that, we need to prepare 5 extra columns. But if the answer is non-integer, that means if answer is coming in decimal, at that time what we need to do? Like here, we are supposed to find out the correlation coefficient between x and y, that is number of mobile phones sold and profit. Now here, first step remains the same, that we are supposed to find out x bar and y bar, x bar and y bar. If the answers are coming non-integer, then we have two options. Either we can use xy formula or ub formula. Likewise, we can see here answer is 6.67 and here the answer is 9.67. That means x bar and y bar are non-integers. Then we need to see the value of x and y. If the values are small, then we can use the formula x minus x bar. If the values are large, we need to use the formula ub. Here the values are small, so we will be using the formula x and y. Now under the formula x and y, we are supposed to prepare only 3 extra columns. X and y will be given in your question. We need to prepare xy, that is multiplication of x and y, x square and y square. X and y, that is simply the multiplication of these two columns. 3 into 6, 8 into 10, 12 into 15 and so on. X square, that is square of variable x. And y square, that is square of variable y. Now after preparing this extra 3 columns using the formula n, that is number of observation, sigma xy, total of column xy minus sigma x, that is total of x column, sigma y, that is total of y column, upon under root n, that is number of observation, sigma x square, no total, that is sigma x square minus sigma x whole bracket square. Now here sigma x, first we are supposed to put sigma x is 40 and then we are supposed to do the square of that into under root n, that is number of observation, sigma y square total, that is sigma y square minus sigma y whole bracket square. So sigma y total, that is 58, we are supposed to do the square of that. Then after doing the calculation, we got our R as 0.94. As we have learned that always the answer of correlation coefficient will lie between -1 to 1. It is near to 1, so we can say that there is high degree of positive correlation between two variables. And if the variables are too large, then we will be using the formula of UV. Under the UV formula, we need to prepare total 5 columns, u, v, uv, u square, v square. U, the formula of finding u is x minus a is any number we are assuming, v is equals to y minus b is also any number we are assuming. The formula remains the same, instead of x will be replacing u, instead of y will be replacing v. Thank you.
If you want to see short videos of accounts, like statistics, go to the description and follow the link.